Hi there. Thank you for coming to our briefing. We have a ready surface that has been pre-cleaned, sanded, degreased, painted with primer, and painted with acrylic paint. Of course, you can also find out about all this on our website. And of course, it begs to cover all this beauty with varnish. Well, first of all, it is an additional protection, since this varnish also contains acrylic, which provides a more durable result. And of course, this is an aesthetic issue. The varnish can give a certain character to the paint, so it is very important to decide whether it is glossy or matte. To add shine and brightness, of course, gloss is better. Well, if we want to make the light deeper and more saturated, then we take a matte one. It is important, of course, to observe the technology of the process. Shake the balloon properly, so that we do not have clots, so that the paint comes out evenly. Well, in this case, varnish. And of course, we have the first trial to the side or to an unnecessary surface in order to push the air and feel the spray. We hold the balloon exclusively vertically, so we don't tilt it too much, otherwise air intake will occur and the spray will be uneven. Spray evenly. It is sprayed, applied, and not painted to avoid streaks. With varnish, of course, they will be less obvious, but also noticeable. There is nothing to do with painting with a brush, or, let's say, pencils and a felt tip pen. In other words, we are not trying to color one point and move on to another. We slowly spray on the entire surface. Well, the rule of 4 sides also applies here. First, we paint as it is convenient for us on one side, then we switch to the other. Then the third and fourth. Well, each side leaves us less and less work. But if it seems that some areas are already too patched up, then it makes sense to pause and then put the next layer. Well, and one more advantage of the paints and varnish of Feynman, the cylinders work to the last drop. Well, we have already talked about this with the example of paints. It's the same with the varnish. It is absolutely non-toxic. They are comfortable working indoors or outdoors. As you can see, we feel great. We are not suffocating. In general, he also has such a competitive advantage. Thank you for watching this manual. Come back again.